Good morning and welcome to Papa and Ryan's broadcast. Today we have got a lot of updates. Ryan, what do you want to tell our audience?
I'm saying sorry because I didn't film for a while, for a very long, maybe 500 years.
Wow, yeah, it's been a long, mighty time since we last filmed, but today we came up with a new game we haven't played before. Ryan, can you move over there so the audience can see you? Maybe here it would be even better. Okay, you're in. Shall we begin? The game is Shawarma Anomalies. Scary Shawarma.
Kiosk.
Okay.
Scary shawarma kiosk.
Yes, true. Kiosk.
And can you send me a friend request?
Okay, hold on. Why isn't it starting?
And in the end of the video, I will tell you a big secret, dangy secret for 1,000 years that I didn't tell. And it's a diggy that 5 years before I didn't tell you.
Did you tell me about the secret? Do I know about it?
You know about it.
So it's not a secret.
I know
But
about
our
it,
audience don't know.
and we will tell it at the end of the video, and you need to wait to see what will happen in the end of the video.
Okay then.
And it was a diggity the 500, 800, 600 years ago before we made the video in 2025, I remember.
That wasn't that. How to invite you? I forgot I haven't played this. Okay. Invite connections and I
Diggity
invited
5
Ryan.
years.
Okay, Ryan, you can share.
I'm roomy.
Okay.
Did you? Oh.
I'm waiting for you.
Papa, wait. I'm not. Papa, do you know I have the purple hair? I changed my hair to purple and roomy.
Are you the girl or the boy?
I am the And you too.
I look like a freak.
And Papa, let me ask you a question.
Yes. Okay.
I'm right next to you. I'm roomy.
Okay, let's choose
From
this.
Demon Hunters.
Players. I'm waiting for you.
Papa, I'm here
Okay.
already. I'm right next to you.
So what do you like about this game?
Papa,
Why does it appeal
Papa,
to you?
this is me, alright?
I already sent you a request, so we're playing together. So can you tell me what is good about this game? Why is it so appealing?
Because it's a horror game.
It's a horror game. What do you like most about it?
The most that I like is the jump scare that we didn't play. We didn't play 3 rounds. We didn't finish all of it.
We always lose, right?
Yeah, sometimes. But I was explaining the rules to my
There's
dad.
the kiosk.
Papa, I will explain.
Okay, can you
What type
explain
of
the
girl if you're not
mechanics?
chewing on the bubble gum? Where is your hair?
It's
Papa,
okay.
Papa, look, where's your hair?
It's okay.
What
It's
type
okay.
of girl
I
if
think,
you're not chewing on the bubble gum?
I think it's
Welcome to your night shift at
It's not even
Shawarma
golden.
Kiosk.
Nine shifts.
Let's start with the basics. Step 1. Turn on the grill.
Papa, your
Customers,
hair's not even loaded.
great.
Then
Now open the window. Let
Papa,
everyone know
Papa,
you're ready.
Papa, your hair's not even loaded. Why are you bald?
I think maybe it's okay.
Let's
I don't mind.
see if I'm bald. I need to open
Let me look at you. Oh, look right.
Before serving,
Oh my
be sure
God!
to read the safety rules. They're super friendly, just like we
Why
are.
is there always a
I
bug?
think the new updates, they don't know about the bug, right? So they just updated it. There are new things.
Why do we need to always be bald? A long time ago, I was not born I was not bald in Shawarma Kiosk. Bald.
Okay, grill switch. The grill
Papa,
is
I think it's a
on.
lag because Shawarma place never had this. And why we need to be bald if you choose this game?
It's okay, Ryan. It doesn't matter how we look. What matters is that we do our job.
Look at my hair.
It's okay. Don't,
It looks like it shaved my hair, but at least that I can.
you don't even have eyes. You don't have a face, we don't have anything.
What about you? You
But we can
too.
see you, Ryan. We can see this on your name tag. You see your name tag?
Yeah.
We can see
I
how
can.
you look exactly.
Yeah.
This is how you look.
Papa, we can just pretend this is just all cap. No problem, it's all cap. Everyone knows who has all cap.
Skip the tutorial. I didn't. I forgot to skip the tutorial. There's a tutorial now. Did you skip it? Skip the tutorial.
Papa, we need to turn
Rule
on
5.
the TV.
If a thick fog appears, do not go outside under any circumstances. And lastly, only serve a customer if you are certain they are human. Welcome. Congratulations. You've finally been accepted for the night shift at the roadside shawarma stand. The shift usually goes by quietly, but sometimes you must strictly follow certain rules to keep everything in order. Rule 1. If a visitor with a wide smile comes in, silently hand him a can of soda. In return, he will give you a damp, wriggling bundle. Place it under the counter and never unwrap it. Rule 2. Every Friday, around 2 a.m., a driverless car will stop in front of the stand. This is an inspection. Exit through the back door and do not look toward the shawarma stand. If they notice you looking, you will definitely fail the inspection. Rule 3. If you notice the meat on the spit begin to pulse and moan, immediately turn off the fire and leave the kitchen. Most importantly, never listen to the sounds the meat makes.
Check if he's
If a faceless man approaches, just serve him. Under no circumstances should you look directly at his face. Rule 5.
Okay, I can
If a
hear.
thick fog...
Start with lavish. I don't know what he ordered, Ryan. Do you remember?
I think he ordered shawarma.
Of course, and I think with a drink too, right?
I think not.
No, usually.
Ah!
Did he just? What happened to him? Should we close? Why did it get so scary?
Shut the window!
Okay, let me shut.
I was screaming.
Don't do that. I can't think like this.
He's a freak.
I knew.
Did you panic?
I
This is
knew-
why you're scared all the time, because you play scary games,
I
right?
almost had a heart attack.
But this is just a game. What was that fart?
I didn't fart. I think it's the game. But I nearly almost had a heart attack.
Okay, should we open?
Yeah,
Okay, we'll wait for the next person. Well, let me listen to his order first. Don't distract me with his order so I can remember.
But we
Ryan,
didn't.
this new update is really scary, right?
Yeah, we need to check if he's
Did you expect that?
I didn't expect that
I didn't.
happening.
I hate
Okay.
one shawarma, please.
How about?
He wants just
Sure,
shawarma.
out for a
I
late
think
walk.
How about we need to check if he's an anomaly? You didn't even.
he's not
Honestly,
an
it's
anomaly. I
kinda
think the
scary
first
out
one,
here
why
at
did he
night.
die? Because
But
we
well, your
didn't serve
shawarma's
him.
worth the risk. Got it. That'll be 100.
Not true. He's
Just a
an
moment,
anomaly.
it'll be ready.
Can you see?
Do you see that he's an
All right,
anomaly?
I'll wait.
I mean the other one was an anomaly.
Seriously? You're sure? of
I
that?
I think the other one, not this one.
I don't know.
I'm
Maybe it's a new update. If you don't serve them, they just die.
How could they scream if they die?
Okay. What else?
Papa, I told you. I think the other one was an anomaly. The other one.
Possibly, most likely he was.
But because if it grow, that means
Well,
there's a the other one was an anomaly.
here you
Here's your
are.
shawarma, still hot.
Here's your shawarma.
Thanks. Now the shadows
Thanks.
don't look that bad.
Do you see the shadow? Ryan, why is it dark? Ryan, careful, you'll fall.
I'm scared.
Ryan, there aren't. You see? There are updates. Did it get scary this time?
Yeah.
The game is too scary now, right?
I think it's only for 15-year-olds.
You shouldn't play it anymore? What do you think?
Well, I'm looking at your screen, so nothing
It got
happens.
scarier. You don't want to play it anymore?
No, I want to still play. Why are the lights flickering?
Do you want to play, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. And do you hear the background noise?
I hear.
Music?
I'm so scared.
Should we close? No?
No.
Is it still flickering?
I'm not sure. How about
Why are you trembling? Right, should we play another game? I think it's time to play another game. We got too scared.
I'm too scared.
Okay.
I left the server.
Let's leave.
I told you.
Okay. Say goodbye to our audience before we play the next game.
Are we gonna play?
This is just for the first video.
This is the first video, guys. I was too scared, so there was gonna.
We could not finish it because the new update is too scary, right?
And the other one, I was already.
Okay. Goodbye.
Goodbye.